Okay, so here is what came with the vacuum. You have the handle, obviously, with a screen that shows you the battery life and the suction power and all that. You have the basic vacuum handle and then the two attachments. I really liked the idea behind this one as far as storage goes. Sometimes it's harder to store the longer handle vacuums, and they actually thought that through because this one has an adjustable handle. So you push a button there and it just slides right in, and then it becomes about half the length. And then of course the top also detaches, very easily. I did that one-handed, sorry about that. Attaches very easily. That's the power. You can hit a button here and this will turn the power up a little bit higher. The battery does drain quicker when you do that, but it does have better suction power. So far I'm really happy with it. I've been using it for approximately 2 weeks, I believe now. And then the cool thing is you don't have to keep pressing the button here to keep it on, which is great because that can get really tiring as well if you're just using it in vacuum mode. And then you just tap the button and it goes back off. So anyways, so far I'm really happy with it. Like I said, hopefully that will continue. And if you order it, hopefully you have just as good a luck with it. That's about all.
Yeah.
Here.